masakit ba talaga sa katawan yung when you do the driving? Kasi parang sabi po,
Yes.
well, nakaupo ka, bugbog ang katawan mo sa kakaupo, pero they don't realize kung gaano ka bugbog ang katawan mo.
It's actually pretty intense. Gets ko yun, because you have to have a lot of finesse within harsh environments. Meaning, yung isa sa mga pinaka-nakakapagod dyan is the G-force. And then, drivers experience around anywhere from up to 5 Gs.
Wow.
You know, the best comparison there are like jet fighters or like sa plane. Diba yung pag-land mo or pag-take off mo, you feel that like impact.
Mhm.
That's what you feel, but you feel it sideways. I remember at one point, I was lifting up to 40 plus pounds on my neck just so that I could take certain turns. Because I remember yung meron akong specific track sa Korea siya. There was this turn that actually took 10 seconds. And hindi ko nakayanan because I was driving a Trans Am. Hindi ko nakayanan that I would have kinakalso ko yung arm ko between the window and my head just so that I won't snap my neck at the turn. And frustrating siya kasi dahil doon, hindi ko ma-floor yung gas kasi hindi kaya ng katawan ko. Isa yan sa mga, I think, pinaka-unique na aspects sa racing, yung training sa leeg. Another one I would say is the stamina. Kasi you're wearing a 3-piece suit eh. Imagine, para kang naka-sauna suit, tapos all the way, naka-gloves ka, naka-balaklava ka, you know, your helmet's around 10 pounds. I think they had it sa Mythbusters na merong nagsabi na you could lose up to 10 pounds or 10 kilos ba yun at a track. And then they did the test and then plausible nga siya because the host actually lost a little more than that within, I think, 2.5 hours or something.
Whoa, pampapayat pala yun.
Pwede rin.
Pero that's assuming kaya mong mag-drive sa track.